Dear students, I am Satya from Department of Social Science. Welcome to Social Science online class. Now we are going to see about the lesson Geography Unit 3 India Agriculture. Today's topic Soils. Introduction. Soil is one of the most important natural resources. India's varied natural environment resulted in a great variety of soils. Compared to any other country of similar size in the world, the rich, deep and fertile soils support high density of population through agricultural prosperity. Soils. What soils? Soil is the uppermost layer of the land surface, usually composed of minerals, organic matter, living organism, air and water. What are the categories of soil? Grains in soil are the three categories. What are they? Namely, clay, silt and sand. Soils are generally formed by the weathering of rocks under different conditions. Some soils are formed by the deposition of agents of denudation. What do you mean? Denudation. The denudation means the laying bare of rocks by the washing away of the overlying earth, etc. What are the types of soil? The Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR, set up in 1953 divides the soil of India into the following 8 major groups. What are they? Alluvial soil, black soils, red soils, laterite soils, forest and mountain soils, arid and desert soils, saline and alkaline soil, and peaty and marshy soil. First, alluvial soil. What are the characteristics of alluvial soil? Gordor. Students, do you know? Gordor. Gordor is a newer alluvium. It's light colored, more siliceous. Next, Bongar. Students, do you know? Bongar. Bongar is an older alluvium. Bongar is an older alluvium. It's composed of lime nodules and has a clayey composition. It's a dark in color. What's the formation of alluvial soil? Sediments deposited by streams and rivers when they slowly lose. What are the chemical properties of alluvial soil? Its chemical properties: rich in potash, phosphoric acid, lime and carbon components, but poor in nitrogen. What are the natures of alluvial soils? Sandy, loam, silt and clay. Profile shows no marked differentiation. Distribution of alluvial soils: Ganga and Brahmaputra river valleys, plains of Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal and Bihar, and river mouth of east coast. Okay. What are the crops growing in alluvial soils? Rice, wheat, sugarcane and oil seeds. Next, black soil. What is the formation of black soil? Derived from basalts of Deccan Trap. What's the color of black soil? Its color black due to presence of titanium and iron. What are the chemical properties of black soil? Its chemical properties consist of calcium and magnesium carbonates, high quantities of iron, aluminium, lime and magnesia. Rich in potash, lime, aluminium, calcium and magnesium poor in nitrogen, phosphoric acid and humus. What's the nature of black soil? Sticky bend wet, high degree of moisture retentivity. Distribution of black soil. Distribution of black soil are Maharashtra and Malwa plateaus, Kathiawar Peninsula, Telangana and Rayalaseema region of Andhra Pradesh and northern part of Karnataka. What are the crops growing in black soil? Cotton, millets, tobacco and sugarcane. Next, red soils. What's the formation of red soils? It's decomposition of ancient crystalline rocks like granites and gneiss and from rock type. What are the chemical properties of red soils? Its chemical properties rich in minerals such as iron and magnesium, deficient in nitrogen, humus, phosphoric acid and lime. What are the nature of red soils? It's a light texture, porous, friable, presence of limited soluble salts. Clay fraction of the red soils generally consist of kyolinitic mineral. What do you mean kyolinitic? Kyolinitic is a white or grey clay mineral which is the chief constituent of kaolin. Distribution of red soils. Eastern parts of Deccan Plateau, southern states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Chota Nagpur Plateau in Jharkhand. What are the crops growing in red soils? Wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane and pulses. Next, laterite soil. What is the formation of laterite soil? It's formed in the regions where alternate wet and hot dry conditions prevail. It's formed by the process of leaching. What are the chemical properties of laterite soil? Its chemical properties composed of mainly hydrated oxides of iron and aluminium. What are the natures of laterite soil? Its nature more acidic on higher areas, poor in high level. Cannot retain moisture, while plains they consist of heavy loam and clay and easily retain moisture. Distribution of laterite soil. Assam hills, hill summits of Kerala and Karnataka and eastern Ghats and region of Odisha. What are the crops growing in laterite soils? Coffee, rubber, cashew nut and tobacco. Next, forest and mountain soil. What are the characteristics of forest and mountain soils? Its character differs from region to region depending on climate. Formation of forest and mountain soil. It's due to mechanical weathering caused by snow, rain, temperature variation. What are the properties, chemical properties of forest and mountain soils? Its chemical properties are deficient in potash, phosphorus and lime. What are the nature of forest and mountain soils? Light, sandy, thin and found with the pieces of rock. Their character changes with the parent rocks. Very rich in humus. Slow decomposition makes it acidic. Distribution of forest and mountain soils. Coniferous forest belts of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Sikkim, eastern and western Ghats. What are the crops growing in forest and mountain soils? Coffee, tea, rice, maize, potato, barley, tropical fruits and various types of spices. Next, arid and desert soils. What's the formation of arid and desert soils? It's formation due to prevalence of the dry climate and high temperature and accelerated evaporation. The soil is dry. It is also lacks humus content due to the absence of vegetative cover. What are the chemical properties of arid and desert soil? It contains high percentage of soluble salts, alkaline with varying degree of calcium carbonate and are poor in the organic matter. Rich enough in phosphates though poor in nitrogen. What's the nature of arid and desert soil? Its nature light in color, low humus, friable structure and low in moisture. Distribution of arid and desert soils. Rajasthan, northern Gujarat and southern Punjab. What are the crops growing in arid and desert soil? Millets, barley, cotton, maize and pulses. Next, saline and alkaline soil. What's the formation of saline and alkaline soil? It's formed due to the ill drainage which causes waterlogging. Injurious salts are transferred to subsurface to the topsoil. By the capillary action, it causes the salinization of soils. What are the chemical properties of saline and alkaline soil? Its chemical properties and liberate sodium, magnesium and calcium salts and sulfurous acid. What's the nature of saline and alkaline soil? It consists of an excess of sodium salts and mineral fragments which are weathering. Distribution of saline and alkaline soil. Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. In the drier parts of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. What are the crops growing in saline and alkaline soil? Here, crops do not grow. Why? Because of excess salinization of soil. So, here any crops do not grow in the soil. Next, peaty and mossy soil. What's the formation of peaty and mossy soils? It's formed in humid regions from the organic matter. It's found in the areas of heavy rainfall and high humidity. Peaty soils are black, heavy and highly acidic. What are the chemical properties of peaty and mossy soil? It deficient in potash and phosphate. What's the nature of peaty and mossy soils? It contains considerable amount of soluble salts and 10 to 40% of organic matter and high proportion of vegetable matter. Distribution of peaty and mossy soil. Kottayam and Alappuzha districts of Kerala and coastal areas of Odisha and Tamil Nadu, Sundarbans of West Bengal in Bihar and Almora districts of Uttarakhand. What are the crops growing in peaty and mossy soil? Paddy and jute. Soil degradation. Soil degradation is an acute problem in India. What are they? According to a 2015 report of the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing IIRS, they estimated the amount of soil erosion that occurred in India was 147 million hectares. What are the main problems of Indian soils? The main problems of Indian soils are soil erosion. Soil erosion includes the sheet erosion, rill erosion and gully erosion and ravine and badland. Next, degradation of soils and waterlogging, saline and alkaline, salt flats. The types of soil are different erosion. What are the methods of conservation and management of soil? Afforestation, construction dam and barrages, prevention of overgrazing, improved methods of agricultural practices, its rotation of crops and strip cropping, adopting the techniques of sustainable agriculture are the different conservation methods for better soil management. Students, this lesson is over. Next, revision. What is soil? Soil is the uppermost layer of the land surface, usually composed of minerals, organic matter, living organisms, air and water. What are the types of soil? The soil of India into the following 8 major groups. What are they? Alluvial soils, black soils, red soils, laterite soils, forest and mountain soils, arid and desert soils, saline and alkaline soils, peaty and morsy soils. What are the crops? What are the crops growing in alluvial soils? Rice, beet, sugarcane and oilseeds. What are the main problems of Indian soils? The main problems of Indian soils are soil erosion, degradation of soil, waterlogging, saline and alkaline, salt flats. The types of soils are different erosions. What are the crops growing in red soil? Wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane and pulses. What are the methods of conservation and management of soils? Afforestation, construction dam and barrages, prevention of overgrazing, improved methods of agricultural practices and contour method, rotation of crops, contour bunding, strip cropping, planting of shelter bulbs, adopting the techniques of sustainable agriculture are different conservation methods for better soil management. Okay, students, listen here. I asked some questions from today's topic. Are you ready? First one. The Indian Council of Agricultural Research set up in dash. Answer 1953. Second question. Dash is the uppermost layer of the land surface. Answer soil. Third question. Soil are generally formed by the weathering of dash. Answer rocks. Students, listen here. All are take your diary and note today's homework. Page number 154 to 157. Read thoroughly. I will conduct app test now. Get ready for social science app test. We will meet next class. Bye.